Gathering some rose petals to make rose water. Don't have a whole lot, but I'm gonna gather these before the storm. You gonna help me? Hey, Mama. Hey. Where you going? You just coming out to hang out with me, huh? What's the matter, babies? The chickens are enjoying the clover. Got lots of clover growing right there. I try not to mow it. We have bees too, and they like it. Hey, girls. Yeah, good stuff right there. Oh my goodness, this smells divine. Just fill your jar up with rose petals. Dame's Rocket. I'm going to add some of this to my rose water. Okay, so I just added some Dame's Rocket blossoms. Those are edible. They're actually a member of the broccoli family. The whole plant is edible if you do your research on Dame's Rocket. But the blossoms smell so similar to lilac, and it is a beautiful smell. So I added it to my rose petal, and I will make me some rose petal and Dame's Rocket Spritz water. Hey, Minnow, what you doing? You come in to say hi? Hi, girl. There's Jack. Jack, what you doing? I'm hanging out in here in my potting shed, horse trailer turned potting shed, and have me a little old sink in here with my potting dirt. Yeah, something fun to do. I figured it'd be a nice way to use this this old trailer and just sitting and rotting away. So, and there it is.